If when you set the timer on a drying cycle and press the start button, the dryer won't start. And when you turn the timer dial, it feels like it's not turning the timer shaft. You will need to remove the timer dial and check it out to see if it's broken. If the timer dial is broken, do the following to see if the timer shaft turns or not. Remove the dial from the temperature selector switch and put it on the timer shaft. Turn the dial until you hear some clicks and press the push to start button. If the dryer starts running, then you know that you need to replace the timer dial. To be able to use the dryer until you get the new timer dial, do the following. See this flat spot on the dial? Take a piece of paper and make a marker behind it like this. Now when you put the dial on the timer shaft, it'll be pointing exactly to the cycle that you want to use. That was the way to check the timer dial, and if the dial is broken, what to do until you get a new dial. There is a link for a timer dial replacement in the description of this video. Check it out if you need to get a new timer dial. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel to be notified every time I make a new video. This is Angel the Appliance Man. Thank you for watching this video.